Good morning everybody. Today we are here at Strumpshaw Fen, RSPB Nature Reserve. We've been a few times. It's one of our favourites, but we haven't actually been in the springtime, so we thought we would come and have a look today. Norfolk's had so much rain recently and it's just made everywhere look so green and lush, and the birds are just singing so happily. So I think it's going to be a lovely, somewhat muddy, damp walk, but yeah, so we'll wander around and see what we can see today. So this is one of our favourite reserves. There's always so much to see. We've been in the winter time, autumn time and summertime. Autumn time is full of different types of fungi and mushrooms, and summertime you get the chance to see the lizards that are out sunning in the sun. And wintertime, it's lovely to come when it's all frosty and snowy. Yeah, so there are lots of different habitats, and the RSPB Trust, they do really well on this reserve to create every habitat for all the wildlife. So you're never disappointed. There's always something to see. We now spent quite a bit of time in the woods. Lots to look at. I love to hear the birds, but I'm not really one for going out to sight the birds. My thing is more the bugs. So I've seen quite a few bugs. Yeah, the woodlands are really lush and green and muddy and boggy. Perfect habitat for lots and lots of different bugs. Look at this amazing bench. That is beautiful. So this is the pump house that they are now restoring for a new picnic area. So this is lovely. This whole stretch along here is absolutely full of ladybirds. Ladybirds getting a bit busy. And spiders. Now some of these spiders are massive and they're also very, very quick. I've tried to get a few pictures of them, but they're very, very quick as well. But anyway, it's absolutely full. I was just taking pictures. It's absolutely full of bug life here and birds, and it's just turned out to be a glorious day. The sun is out and it's now getting fairly warm. Yeah, lovely. do. Well, we're now coming towards the end of the walk today. Robert's still taking photos. It's been an absolute glorious day. Full of bird song all the way around, and so many bugs, ladybirds in abundance, spiders, butterflies coming out as soon as the sun came out. Really lovely day. It was a little bit busy when we first got here because there was a school trip here, but they basically stayed in one area, so that was all right. The busier part is around by the hides. A lot of people come to do their bird watching, but the pathway that we've now been able to get onto, that we haven't done for the last couple of visits here, was really peaceful. We only see a couple of people, so that was lovely. So yes, all in all, a really enjoyable day. What do you say, Robert? What's that bird?
He answered for me.
He answered for you. Yeah, that's lovely. Lovely. We're now walking down this lovely track back to the car. Okay, so thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.